In the growing age of holistic wellness, the way we eat has been thrown into the spotlight. The Mediterranean diet, the keto diet, plant-based foods, new food-based solutions to a variety of medical problems are published every day. The right foods can improve mental health, reduce probability of infections, and even decrease risks for cancer. These diets all center around one idea: keeping the gut microbiome in check. Prebiotics and probiotics like kombucha, polyphenols like dark chocolate and red wine, these are the foods that balance the center for digestion, hormone production, and vitamin creation, the gut.
The gut microbiome is the microbe population living inside our gastrointestinal system. We focused on a specific condition concerning microbiotic health, SIBO. SIBO stands for small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, essentially boiling down to an excess of unhealthy bacteria growing in the small intestine. The current diagnostic method for SIBO is a clinical hydrogen breath test. Here's how it works.
First, a glucose solution must be made. 50 grams of sugar is dissolved in 250 milliliters of water and consumed by the patient. After a baseline measurement, the user waits 45 minutes, breathes on an apparatus, waits another 45 minutes, and breathes one more time. These breath samples are then sent to a lab. Results are then sent to a lab for processing, where results can take 2 to 3 days to a week. This system is inconvenient, prone to error, and eliminates the user's ability to track their own health. We designed a solution to this problem.
Here's the casing for our product, myGIBuddy. It's entirely self-contained, wireless, and compact. The casing was designed in SolidWorks and 3D printed in the lab. The circuitry involves a hydrogen sensor, which allows us to replicate the tests done in clinical labs within the device itself. The sensor is powered by an Arduino and is also Bluetooth compatible, eliminating the bulky wires. Here's the device completely assembled. The tubing on the top is a streamlined system for the user to breathe and collect timely samples. The bag collects the air, and the downward tube helps prevent condensation on the sensor itself.
Let's see how it works. Our device interfaces directly with a web application. A new user can build a profile online, selecting a username and password. We also request an email and their age to help tailor recommendations. A user can also pick a sprite to personalize their experience. Next, the user opens the LabVIEW application.
After entering the username they just created, they can select symptoms that apply the day of their collection, rate their level of discomfort, and list medications. This data will be recorded if they ever want to look back on how symptoms correlated with their hydrogen count data. Next, the user takes a baseline hydrogen measurement. They simply blow on the tubing, inflate the bag, and attempt to continue exhalation for about 10 seconds. They will repeat this measurement 2 more times over the course of the next 90 minutes, once at 45 minutes and once at 90 minutes.
After conclusion of the test, they can log back into the website and view their past results. The online database records all of their past data, creating a comprehensive chart with all of their hydrogen count data. The screen displays the most recent test result, and they can select from a drop-down to see specific days. For reference, users with the hydrogen rise above 16 to 20 parts per million are likely to have SIBO. Based on the results on a specific day, the system generates personalized health recommendations. We have a short blurb on the screen and an option to expand to a more detailed description. The user can also follow the links to read the sources we drew from.
As you can see, myGIBuddy is a portable, comprehensive, easy-to-use gut health tracking system. As food and the gut microbiome becomes more prominent in the healthcare community, we hope that myGIBuddy can help individuals take charge of their own gut health. Thank you.